अब उस घड़ी का हम लोग को इंतजार था, हमारे आगामी अध्यक्ष जी का पद ग्रहण समारोह। आपकी बारे में 4 लाइनें के बाद मैं अनुरोध करूंगा हमारे पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट शिवजी भाई साहब को, आप उनका बायोडाटा पढ़ें। 2 लाइनें मैं अपने आगामी अध्यक्ष जी के बारे में कहना चाहूंगा। जो मंजिलों को पाने की चाहत रखते हैं, जो मंजिलों को पाने की चाहत रखते हैं, वो समुद्रों वो समुद्रों में भी पत्थर के पुल बना देते हैं। वो समुद्रों में भी पत्थर के पुल बना देते हैं। हमारे अध्यक्ष जी हैं, बहुत ही उनके अंदर उत्साह है। आगामी सत्र के लिए उन्होंने बहुत सारे अपने कार्यक्रम बना रखे हैं और आज के कार्यक्रम की काफ़ी तैयारी वो पिछले 1 डेढ़ महीने से कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने अपने घर में जहाँ से ये टेलीकास्ट हो रहा है, आपने एक रूम को ही रोटरी का एक वर्चुअल मीटिंग के लिए एक बोर्ड रूम ही बना दिया है आपने। तो ऐसे हमारे अध्यक्ष हैं और मैं अनुरोध करूंगा हमारे पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट रोटरी शिवजी गुप्ता भाई साहब से हमारे आगामी अध्यक्ष का बायोडाटा पढ़ें।
Thank you very much, Rotarian Atul Jaiswal ji. A very good evening to all of you. I am very much thankful to the members of the Rotary Club Varanasi North who has given me opportunity to read the biodata of our club president, Rotarian Dr. Rohit Gupta ji. Rotarian Dr. Rohit Gupta was born on 29th August 1965. He did his schooling from the different cities as his father was a government doctor. In 1978, his family settled down in the holy city of Varanasi, where his father was posted as a chief medical officer, CMO, for the 6th year, retiring in From 1978 to 1984, he did his schooling from the Kendriya Vidyalaya, Banaras Hindu University. Rotarian Dr. Rohit Gupta wished to make business as his career. However, destiny had subsequently something else in store for him. In the year 1995, he did BMS from NEHM of India and started practicing alongside his father, under whose guidance he was fortunate enough to learn a practical approach to diagnose different types of ailments and kept practicing with him for nearly 20 years. Dr. Rohit Gupta joined Rotary in year 2002, introduced by the Rotarian Govind Piplani. He was a part of the Rotary Club of Varanasi North for the last 19 years. Dr. Rohit Gupta got married in 1991 to Vandana Gupta, who is a dedicated housewife and loving mother of Piyush R. Gupta and Abhishek Gupta. With these brief data, I welcome Dr. Rohit Gupta for as our club president. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Shivji Gupta ji, for this introduction of our upcoming president. Now I request our IPP and our secretary, past secretary, Suresh Khandelwal ji, to exchange the collar and pin and complete this installation ceremony.
देखिए रोहित गुप्ता जी कितने आतुर हैं कॉलर पहनने के लिए। रुकिए 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 रुकिए, अरे इतना जल्दी नहीं, इतना आसानी से नहीं छोड़ेंगे। ऑडिटर हूं, जब तक डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं करा लूंगा छोड़ूंगा नहीं।
Rotarian Dr. Rohit Gupta, you have been selected to the office of the President of Rotary Club of Varanasi North by its members, which is the highest honor a club has in its power to confer on any of its members. It is an expression of their confidence in you. You have been entrusted with the important responsibility that will help in shaping our club's future. Before installing you as a president of this club and handing over you this gavel, which is an emblem of power to rule the club, let me claim your attention towards the following moral charges and regulation to which you will accept at the end. First, you agree to be exemplary in conduct, courteous in manner, easy of address, steady and firm in principle, able and willing to undertake management of the club, cautious in your carriage and behavior, faithful to the club, and strictly obey the moral laws and values. Do you agree? He agreed. Second, you agree to be a peace-loving person and cheerfully abide the bylaws of the club and promise not to be concerned in plots or conspiracies. Further, you agree to avoid private piques, quarrels, and to guard their interference and access. Do you agree? You agree to pay a proper respect to the members, to work diligently, live creditably, and act honestly and honorably towards all the members. Do you agree? You admit that no person can be made member of this club without previous notice and due inquiry into his character and worthiness. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
He is agreed, and now he will sign this agreement.
Well, for the first time.
Thank you very much, fellow Rotarian friends. This is the time to welcome our new president, Rotarian Dr. Rohit Gupta. This is power of emblem. This is to rule over the club. It has got a very important symbolic meaning. Please hold that. Thank you very much, Dr. Rohit Gupta. Friends, it's time to become IPP for me. Thank you very much, Dr. Rohit Gupta. Yeah.
नमकीन कैसे होगा बेटा?
As the secretary of the club and as the president of the over to
रोटरी वाराणसी क्लब नॉर्थ की समस्त सदस्यों की ओर से वर्तमान अध्यक्ष रोटेरियन डॉक्टर रोहित गुप्ता जी एवं सचिव देवेश लाल जी को तहे दिल से हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं। हम सभी आशा करते हैं कि आपके नेतृत्व में क्लब निरंतर नई ऊंचाइयों को छुएगा और जो पैशन मोमेंटम विगत वर्षों से बना हुआ है उसको आप कायम रखेंगे। इसी शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं आपसे अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया सदस्यों को आप अपने बोर्ड मेंबर से परिचय कराएं।